Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can redeem a gift card on Steam if code is damaged. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Steam on any type of browser on your PC and simply log in with your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Steam store. I'm in the Steam's gift card redemption page from where you can redeem your gift cards by entering the code inside the dedicated box. But since we can't read the code due to damage, simply open up a new tab and search for Steam support. You can see that it's an official site. Here you can look for solutions given by Steam support team. Scroll down the page and select what if my gift card code is damaged. You will be directed to the solution automatically. It's written that you need to submit a photo of the damaged code. To do it, click over on photo of the code. Look for an example and you can see how the code will look like after taking the picture. Now open up a new tab, access Steam Help Center and scroll down the page and select for gift card in the search box and select the correct issue and submit the form with the appropriate pictures. And that's how you can redeem a gift card on Steam if your code is damaged. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.